to what you got is gone. You don't know what you got to what you got is gone.
This is a bathroom restoration. We're going to do a full tub restoration here. If you notice, the grout lines sort of wore away over time, so we're going to replace all those, scrape them out, and re-caulk those. And if you notice inside the tub, there's some scratches that we're going to go ahead and do a full restoration on. So sit tight. I'll be back shortly with a complete finish. All right, so we got back and we had to make a stop at Home Depot. What we're going to do now is we're going to start filling all the little divots inside of the grout lines and all this with our grout mix of a bright white. Once I get that done, I'm going to tape off everything in the tub, and then we're going to actually add plastic to the floor and up the walls so I can prepare this thing to get painted. And we're going to actually use toughest tile. It's like a porcelain finisher. So that's what we'll use today to get this all completed. But the shower is looking great so far. Like I said, I just want to do my touch-up work and finesse. Just go ahead and grout everything, and I'll show you what that looks like very soon. You'll see that. I'm going to kill the fan so you can hear me. What I'm going to do now is shake up the porcelain. This is the tile I'm looking for. If there's any places that when I spray the acrylic, there won't be any overlay.
Don't know what you got to what you got is gone. I take a deep breath when the times is hard. When I reminisce over you, my God. I take a deep breath when the times is hard. When I reminisce over you, my God. Thoughts take me to when we were close. Addicted to your love till I need another dose. Thoughts take me to when we were close. Addicted to your love till I need another dose. Thoughts take me to when we were close. Addicted to your love till I need another dose. Thoughts take me to when we were close. Addicted to your love till I need another dose. You don't know what you got to what you got is gone. You don't know what you got to what you got is gone. I take a deep breath when the times is hard. When I reminisce over you, my God. I take a deep breath when the times is hard. When I reminisce over you, my God.